Hello friends, today we will configure HGU single internet service with VLAN in GPON OLT. There are four main steps and some sub-steps to follow. So let's continue with the first one. So let's configure the uplink port with default VLAN. Start creating VLAN by clicking Create button. Enter 101 in Start VLAN and End VLAN. Clicking Apply will create VLAN 101. Let's assign VLAN 101 as default VLAN for uplink port. Click Apply to commit changes. The next step is to create a line profile. Let's start creating a new line profile. Click the Add button, enter profile name, and set the profile ID auto. The first sub-step is to configure T-count. Enter T-count ID and select appropriate DBA profile. The second sub-step is to configure gem port and gem mapping. Enter gem ID, mapping ID, enter the VLAN ID, and click Apply. The third step of the configuration is PON setting. Okay, let's click the PON management and then PON setting. Let's enable the auto discovery. The second step is to configure ONU auto authentication. Set authentication type to auto, select line profile, select service profile, and then click apply. Now the last step is to configure auto virtual port. Click the auto configuration tab. Click the add button. Select all PON ports. Enter 101 as service VLAN. There are some kind of tag transformation, but we will select transparent. Click apply to commit changes. New virtual port is automatically assigned to the new ONU. That's all. Thanks for watching.